Hi, I'm Shraddha and I'm a student of Click on French. I did A2 Part 1 and Part 2 with Click on French. I must say, I had a wonderful time with Click on French. I was a student of Alliance Francaise for A1, and maybe perhaps that's why I had some apprehensions with respect to a virtual class, as in the group discussions, or interacting with the classmates or the professor, etc. But after I joined Click on French, I realized it was all in my mind. All the group exercises, interactions, everything was done just as nicely or as smoothly as a real class would have done it. In fact, we used to even start the class, just like normally, everybody would do. We would just talk to each other, we'll ask each other about how was the day, how's the health, just the general questions. And that helped us, really bond well, even in the future classes. We really enjoyed each other's company a lot, including the professor. When it comes to professor, I would also say that our professor was Mayuri, and she is class apart. Uh, just class apart. I mean, the efforts that she took, in teaching us not just the textbooks exercises, but also, the effort that she had taken to find out exercises outside the textbooks, share with us, just repeat the grammar, help us with the grammar exercises, etc. Was really, really nice. It was something that I had not experienced with any other professor till now. She even helped us, find alternate platforms to communicate with each other during the classes. You see, at times we used to have problems with Skype. Then she even found out Edmodo, another platform to, interact while solving the exercises. Like she would post an exercise on Edmodo. All of us would just give our responses to it, and then she would give us her feedback or suggestions or corrections, and that's it. And that platform helped me so much during the preparation for DELF. It was just unparalleled to any other exercise way that I have earlier done. Hats off to Mayuri. I mean, she really took efforts on all of us, and I'm sure all the other two students would also agree with me. And I'm quite sure the any other student who Mayuri has taught would also appreciate her efforts the way I am doing it. Apart from the professor, I would also like to add a word of appreciation for the administration staff. You see, I was appearing for an online exam for the very first time with Click on French, and I had a host of questions. I mean, a real host of questions. And Deepthi, who was coordinating with me for the exam, was really, really patient. She answered all my queries. She solved all the queries very nicely. In fact, she went a step ahead. You see, I had requested the exam on a Saturday, which is officially off for Click on French staff. But yet, just to ensure that I don't run into any kind of trouble, or even if I do, I have an access to her. She gave me her personal cell number. In fact, another thing that she did out of her way was to also accommodate a change of timing in the exam for me. I had some health issues because of which I had requested her almost at the last minute to change the exam timing. And I had placed a similar request with Alliance Francaise for the DELF exam. Now, they flatly refused to me, and they didn't even want to hear the whole reason. So I was expecting the same kind of a response from Click on French. But to my surprise, they actually accommodated me. Dipti spoke to the coordinator or the examinator, and they gave me an alternate timing. I could just give my exam so peacefully that I just can't even tell you, how relieved I was. It was a really, really nice experience, and I must thank Dipti for it. So, towards the end of my testimony, I would just like to repeat myself that I had a wonderful experience with Click on French, and I would wish them all the luck for their future endeavors. I hope I would start B1 as soon as possible with Click on French. Thank you.